Hello viewers, I'm back. It's time to finish what I started. And what you're looking at right now is the current prototype of Fi's hand. Here's how it works. I completely replaced all the gears inside the hand and wrist with string. The string starts at the fingertips where they are attached using metal rings. When a string gets pulled, the joints move because of the distance between the string and the joint's axis point. When the string releases, the finger moves back by using this rubber band texture. From there, the strings follow predefined paths through the knuckles. Once all the strings reach the wrist, each one goes to its own wheel. These wheels do two things. They reduce friction and they keep the strings separated. They also make sure that any extra distance created when the wrist moves stays proportional to the wrist's rotation. After that, the strings go through a second set of wheels that handle x-axis rotation. The reason the strings line up properly here is because the wheels are different sizes, forming a diamond shape. When that diamond rotates 90 degrees, both sets of wheels align along the y-axis. And since the strings are round, they don't care which direction they're turning. From the wrist, the strings continue to their corresponding servos. There are 8 servos in total, 1 for each finger, 2 for the thumb, and 2 for the wrist. The fingers use nano-servos, while the thumb and wrist use standard servos. All of the servos are connected to a PCA 96085 board, which is wired to a Raspberry Pi. To test everything, I made a simple servo controller. For now, I'm only testing the fingers. Alright, let's test it. So yeah, there's a lot to unpack here. But the main issue was that the fingers didn't always move all the way. And I think the reason was because the pulling of the strings created friction between the bone parts of the knuckle. But overall, this hand actually works way better than any of my previous designs. And honestly, I can't wait to see it fully working one day. Consider subscribing if you want more videos like this. Anyways, see ya!